Today I want to just share a little thing that I do in terms of looking at crypto market, looking at even the index and individual stocks. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you all a very interesting thing that maybe seldom talk about, which is called stock hunting. Okay, so normally when we look at the market, we look at support resistance. That's what we call the traditional technical analysis, looking at support resistance to trade the market. However, there are sometimes, especially in the crypto market, there may be things that we learn from the traditional technical analysis that will not work in real life, So how do we take advantage of things that do not work, and why does it do not work? And how can we use it to make money from the market? Okay, so first thing first, let's talk about what is stock hunting. Okay, stock hunting basically is a thing that when the big boys or the whales or the institution decided to hunt your stock. Okay, so let's say example right now I will to let's open up the board, then you can take a look. Okay, in traditional technical analysis, let's say example we learn support resistance. Okay, support resistance basically is a psychological level that people look at. Okay, let's say example over here I have the support line. Okay, I have the support line over here. We draw here. Okay, and then the resistance line over here. Okay, so this is the resistance and this is the support. Okay, support line basically is a psychological level that the market has looked at. Example, a round figure like $10, $5, $8, where people look at, and then people decided at this level, I will look at it to buy. Okay, resistance level is also a psychological level that people decided to sell. Let's say $10, people decided to sell. And sometimes this support resistance tend to go around whole numbers or round numbers. Okay, so normally, let's say example we do a trade. Okay, let's say example we do a long position. We buy. Okay, we like to buy a support. Okay, and because we feel that the support is strong, we will look at to buy over here. Okay, however, sometimes what happens in the market is there's what we call a stock hunt. Okay, in a stock hunt, what happens is the big boys or the whales want to get your stocks. Okay, let's say example you bought your stocks already on this rally over here. They want to get your stock. So on the next rebound, you do the same trick again. You want to buy off the support, but instead of rallying back to higher, it will actually do a hunt. Okay, so you will do a hunt and you will break the support over here. So when they break support over here, people will put their stop loss. So let's say example you buy over here at this point, and then later part you say, hey, something is wrong, support is broken, you sell over here, so you end up losing money. But what happened to the whale is after the hunt already, they will accumulate, they will buy back, and then next few candle the market will recover and go back up again. So this is what we call a stock hunt strategy. It happens both in stock market and also in the crypto market, more in the crypto market. Today's video is maybe just a short 10-15 minutes video. There are other things to look at, but today I just want to give you all a brief introduction to how the stock hunt work. Okay, so knowing this thing that happened, okay, how can you take advantage of this? Number one is to establish your key support resistance, key support and resistance. So look at the chart, whether it's a 10-minute chart, whether it's an hour chart, whether it's a daily chart, where is your key support level? That's the first thing to look at, the more obvious support resistance level. Number two, okay, you want to look for a break of the support or break of the resistance. To make things easier, we are talking about buying right now or long right now. We will look at a break support. Okay, we want to look for a break of the support at key support resistance level. So there's a break of support already. Now number three, after the break of support in the next few candle, there is a reversal. Okay, there's a reversal. That means above the support level, go back, reverse the support above the support level. And then number four is the trigger to go long after it go back above the support level. So this is how you look at the markets. Okay, I'll give you a few examples so that you understand what I'm talking about. We can pick up, let's say, Bitcoin first. Okay, let's talk about Bitcoin first. Okay, remove all this stuff. Okay, and then from there, let's look at key support resistance level. Let's look at a daily chart first. Easy. Okay, key support resistance level. So this is example of a support level. Okay, so like example over here, this over here is a support level. Yes or no? This over here is a support and resistance level. This over here is a support resistance level. Okay, same thing over here, over here. So these are key support and resistance level. Yes or no? Okay, here's a support, and then price goes support over here. This is resistance, and then they break the resistance. Okay, here's the resistance, they break the resistance. Here can be a support level also. Okay, so this is on a daily chart. Okay, but daily chart, nothing much to trade. Okay, because right now, don't have any break of support or break of resistance. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Okay, so on the 4-hour chart, it becomes clearer. Okay, just now when I draw this line on the daily chart, you can see that this is a support level. Okay, this is a support level. And you can see from here, there is a break of the support and a reversal. But we'll talk about the break of support and reversal later. But you all can see that after the support, there's a break. And after the break, it reverses and go up. Later we zoom in and take a look. Okay, so same thing over here. This is a resistance level. Okay, 4-hour chart, this is a resistance level. And there's a break of resistance, and then after that coming back down again. And then on our chart, also the same thing. We can draw out more support and resistance level. For example, here is a support level. Here is a resistance level. Okay, here is a support level. Okay. So first thing first, plot out the support and resistance level. That's the number one. First, establish support and resistance level. Next is to look at the break of support. After you identify the support and resistance level, look at the break of the support level. Okay, so now we've drawn all the horizontal lines on the vertical, or the horizontal lines. Then let's look at the break of support. Okay, so a break of support will be something like this. Let's say, example, the support was established over here. Okay, established over here. There was a break of support. There's a support over here, and then after that, the price will break below the support. See over here, if you zoom in, you can draw the line here, or you can draw the line here. It doesn't matter, but you will not draw the line here. Yes or no? That is like not very key support. This is a very key support. Why? Because you can see that here it tested many times. Yes or no? Okay, here can be a key support level because it tested many times. But here, no test. Okay, only one test, which is not very clear. So you can see from here, there is a break of the support. Okay, there's a break of the support. It break below this prior resistance. This prior resistance. There's a break of the prior resistance. And then after the break of support, in fact, on this candle, it went down and break this support level, break this support level, and even break this support level. So there are 3 levels that it broke. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so all 3 levels was broken from this candle. And after this, after I established the break of support already, then we will call reversal. Okay, where does it reverse? Okay, so on this candle, you may not be able to see the reversal yet, even though the candle may end up like this, breaking, it may not see the reversal. On this candle, you will still question mark because yes, you have a green candle, but you're not sure. But on the next candle, once it break above the previous candle high on the green bar, is the green bar break previous high on the green bar, then you can establish anything above here at this point. Anything above here at this point, how many resistance level has, how many support level has broken down before the reverse. So over here we have 1, 2, and 3. 3 support level broken down, and then a reversal happens. So this is like very significant. Okay, so from here you can do a reversal trade. Okay, and a trigger. Okay, so when the reverse happen already, you enter the position here. Once you establish that the break of support happened already, and then a reversal happen. Okay, so this is how you do on a 1 hour chart. Okay, so on a 1 hour chart, after you enter already, then you can look to take profit after you enter. This is not a short-term, this is not a long-term trade, this is a short-term trade. How you want to take profit is up to you. You can do what we call one-to-one risk reward. Let's say example, right now you entered over here. Okay, enter over here, you may put your stop loss maybe below here. So you have one risk over here, and then once you have one profit over here, this is more than one profit already, 1-to-1 risk reward, you can take your profit. Okay, so 1-to-1 risk reward, taking profit. Okay, so this is example of a what we call a stop hunt trading. Okay, when the price break down and reverse already, you cannot confirm yet. On the next candle, you confirm, you enter, and then you look for one-to-one profit. On the other hand, let's look at this chart over here. We also see that this was the resistance level. Okay, this was the resistance level here. Prior to this, you will see that this is a resistance level. And then from there, there's a break of the resistance. Yes or no? Break of the resistance, clear above the previous candle high, previous swing high. And then after that, the reversal happened. So on this candle, you may not be confirmed, but on the next candle, you will see that, hey, this is a confirmation of the reversal of this break. So it tricks you, okay? It tricks you to think that it's going to break new high, but after that, there's a reversal candle. One more thing to add, you can actually enter on the reversal candle itself or wait for the next hour confirmation to enter. So let's say, example, the candle is like this already. Even though the candle is not fully formed, and you know this is going to be fully formed in the next 5 minutes, and you more or less is sure, right, that it's going to be a reversal candle, you can enter on this candle. If not, you can choose also to enter on the next candle, because by here, you will know that it is almost a reversal already. Okay, by here, you almost confirm that it's a reversal candle already. So that is something that you can also take a look to enter earlier. So from here, you can see that this thing happened quite often, okay, quite often, especially in the crypto market. Even in the stock market, it will still happen, especially for those more volatile stocks. It will happen, okay? So, and also the same thing, it happens on not just one time frame, it happened on a 10-minute chart, the hour chart, the 4-hour chart, it will also happen, okay? So let's look at other example over here. So, let's say example over here, this can be also a support level, then a reverse. Support broken, and then the reverse up. Can you see that? Okay, so we have established that these are the support level, and then after that, break of the support. After the support level broken, next candle, you may not be so sure, but the following candle, you're sure, hey, it's reverse ready, then you can trade it up again. Okay, so this example is a resistance level. Okay, so this is a resistance level. We have the price going up, coming down, break below the resistance, turn support, and then after that, the reverse up again. Okay, so example here again, you can have a trade entered here, put a stop loss below here, and then you have one-to-one risk reward trade also. So this is on Bitcoin, but let's look at other markets or other stocks. Okay, what other stock? Let's look at Tesla example. Okay, using the same principle. Where is my Tesla stock? Using the same principle, you can also trade stocks also, okay? Especially stocks that are volatile, okay? Stocks that are volatile, you can trade, okay? Trade them, okay? The thing about stock market is because there is not like unlike crypto market, which 24 hours trading, stock market tend to have gaps. For example, on the 4-hour chart, they will have gaps like this, gap like this. So you may not want to trade the 1 to 4 hour chart. Okay, you want to do the daily chart instead. Okay, so same thing. What we talk about, the same thing is the same concept again. First thing first, establish where are the support resistance level. Example here is a resistance level that was established. Okay, there was a break of resistance, break of resistance, then a reversal. Yes or no? Can you see that? Break resistance and a reversal. It trick you. Okay, so here again, you see there's a break of support. Okay, there's a break of support. okay, break of support, and then a reverse, and then it go up again. So daily chart, it happened too. Okay, maybe on the this stock, a lot of gaps, maybe not so clear, but you can see a break of support and then a reversal happened. Okay, so example right now, the most recent candle, right now we have established that this is the support. Okay, is it possible that after that we have a retest of this support, it means the price break below here and then reverse? Possible. Okay, so the example here, the price will go down below here and then reverse up again to a 1-to-1 risk reward. Okay, another one was here. You can see here there was a support that was broken, and then after the support broken on this candle, you will know the support is broken, and then after that reversal back up again. Okay, so these are very short-term trading. Okay, on the stocks also. Okay, few days trade. Okay, few days trade possible. Okay, so next let's look at Ethereum. Okay, let's look at Ethereum. Okay, same concept again. Daily chart maybe lesser because it's slower. Okay, you can look at the 4-hour chart, the 1-hour chart. That will have more things like that. Okay, so like example right now. Okay, you can see this is our 1-hour chart, right? This is a support that was established, and then there was a stop hunt. Yes or no? This is live, actually. There's a stop hunt, and now after the stop hunt ready, right now this is the reversal candle. Okay, you can still enter right now. Okay, this is the April right now. Okay, but this is short-term trade, only hour chart. So maybe the next 5 hours you want to aim to maybe go back to here. Okay, so that is Ethereum trade right now. Okay, and let's see the previous chart. Okay, what are the support resistance level that was broken, and then after that it reversed. Okay. Again, you can see over here, resistance broken. Okay, so resistance broken. After resistance broken, came back down again. Here again, same thing. Resistance broken. Okay, after it broke, then reverse up again. Okay, you can try again, break again, try to break again, reverse happen again. Okay, so this is a stop hunt strategy you can use for short term, even up to as short as a 10-minute chart. Okay. The 10-minute chart. Okay, so you go to 10-minute chart, you can also see, okay, this was the support that was being established. And can you see the stop hunt? This is the hunt, 10-minute chart. This is the reversal. You can enter on this candle. Okay, so if you enter on this candle, by now you should exit already. Yes or no? If you're looking on the 10-minute chart. Okay, 10-minute chart. Okay, so I hope this video has been useful. Talking about stop hunt orders. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video.